So, guys, I need 1 minute of you, okay? Take your time and listen to what I'm about to say. So, this channel right here is helping you for you to know how to you can do your business. You understand me? How you can grow your business, how you can make money online, okay? So, I'm using people's video. I'm sharing people's video with you. You understand me? To let you understand how you can make a business, okay? So if you are interested, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you are the first person to have it. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, okay? So please organize yourself and let's watch the video. So don't forget, like I said, share with your family and friends. Thank you so much.
Hello, welcome to one of our production houses for the manufacturing and the fabrication of concrete mixing machines for block laying. So for those who have been making the queries and then asking for us to come and explain to them how the molds are, these are molds that are manufactured in Ghana with the highest quality workmanship and the highest quality of material. When you come here and you look at the thickness of the materials that we use, you realize that it is very high end, and we have the local welders who are professionally trained. And as you can see, look at the thickness of the various. So even in Ghana, that's why I've been telling you that do not travel out of Ghana. It doesn't make sense for you to travel locally. You can also start production of these things to make money here in Ghana. So do not, you see, as you can see, it's being welded. This is an order that a client has made. This is for the 4 units. We can have the 4 units that is here. You can mold 4 blocks concurrently. These are some of the molds for the single one, which is the manual options that we have here. As you can see, this is an example of the 2 units mold. The 2 units mold, as you can see also. So all these are there for you to have a look at. This, as you can see, is a 5 units semi-automatic. It's a 5 unit semi-automatic, which means that it comes with a conveyor belt that and a mixer. So when you look at here, you see the pan for the mixing. The pan for the mixing. We have different sizes of the pan, so you don't have to have people manually mixing all these things on your behalf. All you have to do is that you come and set it up at your location. Anywhere you are in Ghana, we can set it up at your location and give you all the technical details that you require. So when it mixes from here, it is transported through a conveyor belt that is attached to this unit. The conveyor belt, you can come and see, is here. This is an example of the conveyor belt. You see, it has a rotor here that sends it all the way from here into the space for you, so that it sends it to this unit. As you can see here, this unit is the feeder. This unit is the feeder, and it feeds it all the way into the pan. So this is where you would insert. This is where you insert the mold, and it is adjustable. So depending on what you want to do, whether you want to do a solid block or you want to do a hollow block, you can actually mold it. And this is a 6 unit. It can take up to six blocks. And we have the 5 unit also, that's also available. We have it in different sizes. When you see at the thickness, come closer. When you look at the thickness of the plates that we use, the hydraulic system that we use, it is top notch. When you look at the thickness, all these are things that we make here in Ghana. We make here in Ghana. So example, this is almost finished for a client. This is almost finished for a client. A client ordered it, and we are almost done with it. So as you can see, this is what 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 units option. This is the 4 unit option. So when you see 1, 2, 3, and 4, it means that it is for the 4 unit option. It is the most sold. It is it is what most sold. One of the most sold ones that our clients order a lot. And then have the 5 units. The 5 unit also has the feeder. It has the feeder, a conveyor belt. So there are 2 types. We have the manual, we have the automatic, and then we have the full automated ones also that you can order from us. Anywhere you are in Ghana, we will deliver to your place, and then also at the end of the day show you how to use it anywhere in Ghana. And production of these things are based on what order. So when you order and make payment within a stipulated time of between a week, between 2 weeks, to what, about 2 months, between 2 weeks to 2 months, the production will be done depending on the specification that you ordered. Because you must know that there are different specifications. I told you that there is 2 blocks. The one that does only 2 blocks. There's some that does 4. There's some that does 5, and there's some that does 6. There's the automated ones and semi-automated. It comes with a control panel, so you show your worker how they'll be able to come by it, so that at the end of the day you'll be able to do it. So as you can see, the workers are here, and we are actually setting the first plating and all those things. So this is the compressor that actually presses on it. It presses on her. So they are installing it now, right now, as you can see, and welding it to it. They are welding it to it, as you can see. So it is a business that you can look into as a side hustle. It's a business you can look into as a side hustle. As I keep on telling you, don't depend on only one stream of income. Make sure that anywhere you find yourself, you are diversifying. We have become so big here that we are trying to move from our current location to another location that we are prepared. So anywhere that you are in Ghana, you can contact us through the numbers that are displayed, and we'll come to you and we'll deliver it to you and set you up fully. Once you have a land anywhere in a developing location, we'll bring you. Just tell us what specification that you need, and then it will be brought to you. Thank you, and stay blessed.